Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Pretty. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to remove the 456 frame from your TikTok profile. So if you want to know how to remove the 456 frame from your TikTok profile, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. All you need to do here is to install your TikTok app and create an account. Once you're done logging in your account, all you need to do here now is to head to your profile. On your profile here, all you need to do here is to hold on to your profile picture. Once you click on your profile picture, you can see change photo and change frame. Sorry. What you need to do here is to click on change frame, and once you have done that, all you can see none and player 456. All you need to do here is to click on none and you will see the profile. The 456 frame will no longer be on your profile. So we have come to the very end of this video. If you found this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys, bye.